Hey everyone, it's Ingrid here from wellness2go.ca, my peace, love, and happiness seekers. Today I want to show you how to do a lymph drainage massage with my new favorite tool slash love it, love it, love it. A lymph system. What's the benefit? It's to help your immune system. It also helps, believe it or not, helps you with calming your nervous system. So I help professionals who are tired of starting over because stress and nervous system overload keep getting in the way of consistency. So for our health today with the nervous system, it's a really, really easy peasy routine that I want to show you in terms of draining the lymph from the face, and we're finishing with the neck. So we're going up, over, to the side in terms of the forehead. So we start with the forehead, then we're going to come under the eye, light pressure to medium pressure, the bone on the cheek, down the side, and then under the bone, coming into the jawbone, the chin, over to the jaw, and then down the neck. And our destination is finishing at the top of the chest, right? So we drain up and over, and then you switch and you can go onto that side. And I'm focused on drainage using a tool. So under the eye, you can just press gently, all right? If you have oils, you can do more of a sweeping motion, come down the side from the nose onto the bone, sweep over down the side, or you're just pressing gently. I do a little bit more than gently. I go medium to almost firm, medium firm, right? Once you're comfortable with pressure, you can do a little bit more. Don't go hard because it's the face, and we drain down the side of the face. You can even focus on the side of the face a little bit. If you have jaw, like TMJ, any type of issues with the jaw, you press into, do little circles. So you're pressing. You can relax the mouth, the jaw by taking the tip of the tongue and pressing it to the top of the teeth, the upper part of the mouth. Just lifting the tongue actually relaxes the jaw, right? So we're just draining over, coming down the side of the neck. We can do focused, a little bit more focusing on the glands, because we have lymph nodes right here. Right, draining the throat area and then drawing it down. And we can stay on the same side with this hand, or we switch, right? Making it very easy. So doing the exact same thing on the opposite side, we'd have the forehead, which I was about to say which we've already done, but then you come over to under the eyes, and then you draw down the side of the face, the bone, right? And then under the bone, okay? And even pressing the nose, side of the nose, okay? So I want to just show you how easy peasy this is. I do this every single day. 30 seconds, within that minute, you have it. You have 30 seconds up to a minute, I should say. You have the time just to do that, right? So talk soon. I am going to be doing lymph drainage for the body. So check that out using a tool. Talk soon. Okay, bye.